Hello guys and welcome back. So for today a quick job that might be useful even for you. We need to change thermostatic shower mixer. So we are going to change the main body and we have it here. This is a new one. And we just need to replace this one with an old one. So first of all, close all the main water supply from your house. So make sure that you don't have any water coming in from the actual mixer. So right now I'm taking the shower away. Make sure that no water is coming on. And that's okay. Then we have to unscrew these two fittings here. Now that they are untightened, it's easy for me to take them out with my hand. And they're out. And now I'm just going to fit the new one in. Okay, so before fitting it in the pack, it will have to be two filters like this, like some rubber washers. Make sure you are going to put them inside. If you are not going to put them, then you are going to have a bad leak. So now we just need to tighten everything back again like it was before. And that should be enough. So now I just need to put on the main water supply and see how it's going to go. Okay, so now I put them on. And my thermostatic shower is working. Now I just have to put the shower back on. Never forget the rubber washer that you have with the shower. Now we just need to do a quick test. And it seems that it's working, but the problem is with the old one it wasn't mixing properly, so the thermostat wasn't working properly. Now I just need to see if it's going to get really hot. Wow, that is boiling hot. Too much. Okay guys, so our job here is done. We just changed the thermostatic shower. You saw, it's not that difficult to change. You can do it yourself. You just have to untighten these two fixings here. You take the valve out and you put a new one, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So I think that's it for our video for today, and don't forget to subscribe just press that button and subscribe under this video. You'll find the subscribe button. Subscribe, and of course, see you on the next one.